Hi there, my name is Sophie Lalone, Group Product Manager at Productboard, the customer-centric product management platform that helps organizations get the right products to market faster. There's a lot of uncertainty and risk when it comes to building product. We like to think we know our customers and their needs, but it's easy to lose touch unless we take the time to regularly check in with them and validate our ideas as we go. This is why product discovery is just as important, if not more so, than delivery. Product discovery is a process that helps product teams refine their ideas by deeply understanding real user problems and then iterating on the best ways to solve them. Discovery looks a bit different at each company, but it generally involves steps like this. The first is uncovering user needs through qualitative and quantitative methods, then clearly defining user needs by framing them as problems, validating and prioritizing the ones you want to tackle first, identifying optimal solutions through ideation, mockups, and prototyping, and then finally testing to determine whether your proposed solutions actually solves real user problems. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at some of the ways Productboard's product management platform can help you streamline and structure your discovery activities, because I promise I do it every day. On the Insights board in Productboard, you have a centralized repository for collecting feedback on an ongoing basis. This feedback arrives from many integrated tools such as support platforms, messaging solutions, sales tools, and CRMs. From this central repository, you can review all of the feedback and link interesting user insights to related feature ideas. You can also take advantage of Productboard's intelligent capabilities for automatically distilling trends in large volumes of feedback called smart topic detection. This ability to segment feedback and pull out those meaningful trends allows you to identify the actionable insights and conduct discovery in a scalable way. Even better, you'll ensure that every customer conversation or touchpoint contributes to that shared learning within your organization. For many, product discovery really begins when you start to narrow down and research new ideas. The end goal, of course, is to solve real user problems. Productboard helps you do that with the user impact score, which shows you the features that are requested the most by users. You can even filter these most requested features by individual customer segments. So if you want to look at disengaged user feedback or power user feedback, you can do that. Let's showcase this in action. Here's Productboard displaying the top requested features by enterprise companies with more than 1,000 employees paying us more than $5,000 a month. Voila, like magic. This level of insight makes it easier to nail down the specific user needs and prioritize what to build next. As you zero in on the ideas you want to discover further, Productboard helps by pulling all of the user insights associated with each one. Reviewing these insights can give you a lot of clues into underlying user needs, especially because you can navigate from each insight back to the original source of feedback. Let's say, for example, that you have a specific snippet. It says, user wants a Salesforce integration. Well, when you navigate to the full feedback, that full note captured on the Insights board, you can see that user says their real goal is to help sales reps capture feature requests from prospects and send them to the product team. It tells you a bit more of the why. But what if that's not enough? What if you want to be like a 5-year-old and keeps asking why? You want to dig deeper. Easy. You know who this user is and you have the email address captured in Productboard. So you can easily follow up with them to ask more questions or schedule a conversation. And you can do the same with everyone else who has expressed a similar need in the past, since their insights are also linked to that feature idea in Productboard. Go ahead, become customer obsessed. Productboard's product portal is a public interface that you can share with prospects, colleagues, and customers. In the portal, you can showcase what's planned, collect votes and feedback on ideas, and source new requests. It's a great way to earn buy-in for where you want your product to be headed and to validate feature ideas before you begin to work on them. With this portal card update feature, you can email everyone who's asked for it to let them know that it's available. And you can include a call to action for customers and prospects to provide more information about their need, provide feedback or early feedback designs, sign up for product discovery interview, or join a product beta. This process creates a virtuous cycle where customers are much more likely to provide the feedback once they see that you're listening and actually acting on what they've already shared. If you've liked this video, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment, all the YouTube things. To learn more about product discovery, check out our new ebook. We will be linking it in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.